Welcome to English with Leanne. You may have noticed in the description of my last video that I have posted 50 idioms. And so I want to do a challenge. I want to know if you can use 2 or more of these idioms in a sentence or in a short story. I'm going to go ahead and do a few examples to show you how this is done. And I'll make sure to put links down below for each example if you want to go and watch the idioms that I used in the example. This will be really useful if you don't understand the example. Go and watch those videos and then listen to the example again. Okay, our first example is our boss came up with this new idea at work, but it doesn't hold water. No one wants to tell him because we don't want to take the wind out of his sails. But now it's the elephant in the room. My second example is, it's out of character for my teenagers to hit the hay before 10 p.m., but I'm not complaining. Example 3. Everyone is on edge. We don't want to sweep the problem under the rug, but we're afraid that talking about it will open a can of worms. Example 4 is my last example. I was so embarrassed when I drew a blank. That is the last time that I do a presentation off the cuff. Next time, I'm going to rehearse my presentation. I really need to knock it out of the park. Otherwise, I'm going to have one foot in the grave. I hope you understood all of those examples after having watched my idiom videos. Again, I am linking them down below so you can go and rewatch them if you didn't understand some of the examples. And I'd love to see some comments down below where you try to use 2 or more idioms in a sentence or in a short story. Good luck!